How to fix Snapchat notification not showing. In order to fix Snapchat notification not showing, you want to ensure that notifications are enabled. So first of all, you want to go to settings on your device and go to app section from the list. As you do this, you want to locate Snapchat, and there you at the top you have notification, and make sure that the notification button is toggled on. Once you've done this, what next you also want to do is open up Snapchat on your device, tap the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner and go to gear from the top right hand side corner. Here, what you want to do is after that, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for a notification in this section. You could go to my app and look for notification. If you can find, go to my account. There as well, you will be able to find notifications here actually, and you can go ahead and customize it according to your preferences as well. And this is how you're supposed to fix Snapchat notification not showing. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, you might want to make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. So you just want to make sure to tap the search bar and type in Snapchat, and here you might want to make sure to update the app as well, and that should definitely fix. So this is how you're supposed to fix Snapchat notification not showing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.